What's up guys, Mike Burke here with InsideRealEstatePhotography.com. It finally came, my A7S III that I pre-ordered on the day of announcement. It was still back ordered for weeks, but I finally got my hands on it, so let's open this bad boy up. Alright guys, so to say I'm stoked about this camera is an understatement. I own the A7S II, I love that camera. I did sell it a couple months ago and I put the money towards this camera. I did pay for this camera with my own money. This video is not sponsored by Sony or anybody else. So I just wanted to share this moment with you getting this camera because I will be talking about it in future videos and telling you how it's working as a real estate photography camera. I think it's gonna be great for real estate photography. Even though it's 12 megapixels, I did use the A7S II for real estate photography all the time. 12 megapixels was fine. And then I got the A7 III, which became my main camera. But this, I think, will become my main camera for photos and video for real estate. And I will keep you guys updated on how I think this camera is performing in those means. So without further ado, though, let's just open this thing up and see what we got. All right, got instruction manuals and yada yada. And you have a USB cable for charging and whatnot. I don't know what this is. Some sort of screw on device. I'm not sure what this is. I'll have to find out. But let's get to the real thing. We have a strap, A7S III strap. I won't ever use this. And in here, oh wow, this is cool. They give you a battery charger. Wow, I'm shocked actually. I didn't think this came with a battery charger. The A7 III did not come with a battery charger. And this is like a $100 item, so that's awesome. Oh, wow, I'm really surprised that this came with it. So that's a pleasant surprise, really cool. Because I could always use the second one now. So that's great, wow. Something underneath here. Here's the power supply for the battery charger. Oh boy, here's the camera itself. But before I get to that, let's see what else is in here. Here's the actual battery. And that appears to be all that's in the box. So let's take a look at this thing. Wow, it's heavy. Like, why is this so heavy? This is really heavy, like compared to the A7 III body. Like, oh my God, this is way heavier. To me, at least, feeling it for the first time. This feels a lot heavier than the A7 III. Wow. The grip is noticeably fatter than the A7 III, which I kind of like. It feels better in my hand than the A7 III. It's like definitely thicker this way than the A7 III grip. The thumb joystick is different. The buttons feel definitely better. They stick out a little bit further. They're just more feedback there. I really like that. And the record button's up here now. That'll be interesting. I'm used to, you know, in the back. 3 custom slots instead of 2. I'm excited about that. I'm definitely gonna utilize that, that's for sure. And here's what I'm most excited about. Oh yeah, this flip out screen. I've been waiting for this on a Sony camera for so long. I used to shoot Canons before this, and I had this on my Canon, and just having the flip screen that you can move pretty much any which way is a huge advantage to me. You know, this is touch screen too, so I'm definitely looking forward to firing this up and trying that out. But you know, you could flip it around and turn it in so it's protected, so I don't need screen protectors anymore. If you're a Sony user, you probably noticed if you don't, you put a screen protector on your screen gets rocked. So that's nice that I don't need a screen protector. I just flip it around and close it. And when it's in my bag or whatever, it's not gonna get scratched up. I'm really excited to fire this thing up and try it out. I'm gonna be shooting with this thing this week, and I don't know when I'll do my next update video, but I'm going to definitely do an update video on how I think this camera is performing as far as real estate photography goes. Once I, you know, run it through its paces in the next couple weeks doing photo shoots and video shoots, I'm going to feel this out, edit some of the photos, edit some of the video, experiment with some of the video formats. There's a bunch more on this camera. I'll be posting sample footage and photos probably, so I'm not sure what exactly I'm going to do, but I will definitely be updating you guys on this camera as I use it and letting you know how it performs. I think this is going to be like the ultimate all-around real estate photography camera for video and photo. Like I said, the 12 megapixel is not really a problem for real estate photos as they end up online. We're not doing much, we're doing some cropping here and there, but not heavy cropping, and the file sizes will be pretty light, which is nice as far as photos go. And the video features are phenomenal. 4K, 120 frames per second. I'm definitely excited to use that for real estate videos. I'm shooting most of my real estate videos right now in 1080, 120, so that's gonna be an upgrade. And I think the 4K is gonna look awesome on this video, on this camera. You know, the ISO performance is great on this camera, so even if you have to push it a little bit, you won't get much noise in the video. So yeah, I'm excited about this. So that's pretty it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and sharing this moment with me. I'm super excited about this camera, if you can't tell. Again, yes, I will be in touch with you guys again soon, sharing with you how this is progressing and how I think this camera is doing. So again, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys again soon.